Hi everyone, it's Lisa for the Graphics Fairy and I'm back with another quick tip for you today. We're going to be making little mini notebooks. And wait till you see how easy this is. You'll be making 1,000,000 little mini notebooks just like I have been for the past couple days. And you don't need much to make these. I have a little pile of printer mishaps and paper scraps, and I love that you can use these up with this project. So you just need some regular copy paper scraps, and you need a piece of lightweight cardstock. You'll need a pair of scissors or a paper cutter. A paper cutter will be much faster, but unfortunately the head on mine just went missing somehow. So I used scissors and that actually worked fine. I wanted to let you know because if you don't have a paper cutter, you can still do this. And you'll need a paintbrush. And I used Aleene's tacky glue for this because it's a little bit thicker, but you can use any kind of craft glue and it will also work. And you need some little binder clips or maybe some clothespins, something to hold the pages while you're doing the gluing. And then you will need some images. And I used, these images are from the premium membership site, but I wanted to mention, in case you're not aware, the original Graphics Fairy site has images as well that are free. And there are, I think, over 5,000 images now on that site that you can just download. You just simply right click on them, download them, and then you can print them out any size that you want. So this image is from the Graphics Fairy blog. The rest of these are from the premium membership site. And if you just go to the printables tab, you can find lots and lots of options to make these notebooks with. So let's get started. I'll move these out of the way. And the first thing you'll need to do is just print out some images on your scrap paper. And if you don't want to use that much ink, where this one I've printed out all of the pages, but you can always intermingle some just plain white pages in between the printed. Or on this one, I just did the front almost like a cover printed, and then the rest are just plain. So you can do it any way that you like. Just get your papers ready and lined up. Cut a piece of cardstock to the same size, and then cut one white piece to put on top. And we'll just peel this off when we're done applying the glue, and it'll just keep the top page nice and clean. So just get all of your papers lined up like this and give them a little stack. Make sure that just make sure that the top is very well aligned, and then put some binder clips on each side. Get a little dish and put some glue in there. And then using the paintbrush, it's just so quick. Just take your brush and load it up with some glue. Let me get this aligned a little bit better, because that's really the important part, to make sure that your top is aligned well. And then put the glue on like this. I went first this way with the glue, and then I went back a second time and I kind of flicked it from the front to the back just to make sure that I get it in between all of those little pages. And then once you're finished with that, I just did a nice clean swipe across the top, and that's all there is to it. It looks like I need a little bit more right here. There. Okay, so then you just put that aside to dry, and when you're finished, you can just peel that front page right off, and you have just like a store-bought little mini notebook. You could put it in your junk journal for extra journaling space. And here's this one. Isn't that cute? I just can't believe how easy that is and how well the process works. And it requires so few ingredients. So let me allow this one to dry for a few minutes, and then I will come back and show you how this one turned out. I forgot to mention one thing. Once you put the glue on top, then I like to move the binder clips to the top so that it will hold that whole thing nice and tight until it dries. Okay, we're ready for the big reveal. So you can see how messy this gets. So you don't want to skip that step of creating this top cover sheet. Otherwise, this mess would be on the first page of your notebook. So just take your binder clips off and peel the front cover. Voila! It's a cute little notebook, and it really does stay stuck. And I just think these are so fun and adorable, and I hope that you guys all give these a try. So let me know if you have any questions. You can always put a question in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to you on that. And give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe here at the Graphics Fairy YouTube channel. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.